Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video lecture I'll be discussing the themes in the famous ghost story by Virginia Woolf, A Haunted House. Mainly there are three themes. One is love, death, and how one's happiness is associated or connected to one's home. So love can be considered to be the central theme in the story because it brings about comfort as well as happiness to everything. In the story we find that the ghostly couple, they simply roam about their own house after their death. And from this, what Virginia Woolf tries to point out is that love can endure the ravages of time, just as the couple is able, to get reunited beyond the grave, even after their death. So, what Woolf means to suggest that love is boundless. Love knows no barrier. Love knows no bounds. In fact, love has the power to survive, the ravages of time. And not only that, love is so powerful indeed that it is also able to overcome the barriers that are there between people. And here, people represent both living and the dead. Because in the story, we find that the ghostly couple, they still live on in the house. They continue to live there in the garden. Okay, although this house, remained without them for centuries, yet it becomes clear that their love has been successful in surviving the passage of time. Okay, so though they have not lived, though the ghostly couple has not lived in their house, but their house actually embodies or manifests their love. And now their love is inherited by the couple who now reside in this house. So we can say that this house is represented as a living creature, or we can say that the house is represented as someone, who has been taking care of the house, along with the couple's love, which still continues to live there. So in the very beginning, we are informed by the narrator that the house is haunted by a ghostly couple. So the two ghosts, what they do, they simply roam about the house no matter what time of the day it is, but they simply roam about in the garden. They open windows, they open the doors, they do whatever they feel like, but they do not have any intention to harm, to cause any harm to the couple here, to the new couple, because now they have not only inherited the house, but they have also inherited their love. So it shows that that the lover, the couple's love, continues to live in the house, which suggests that their absence has not only failed to affect their attachment with the house, but at the same time they are the same people who they used to be before. So here, through the theme of love, what Woolf tries to convey is that love is able to transcend the boundaries of time and death. Love remains unaffected, and at the same time it becomes clear to us that the way the ghostly couple, they interact with each other, okay, they talk to each other, they refer to their past, they reminisce their past, they they seem to act together as a unit, which shows that even death has failed to separate them. Even death has failed to, separate their unity or affect their unity. So it is through their conversation, through their dialogues, we understand that throughout the story, through their dialogues, okay, it becomes clear that they have got unified. And they simply, move about in the house hand in hand. That is what is stated in the story. So, for Virginia Woolf, love doesn't mean the end of everything. Rather, she means to lend a different meaning to death. And through this couple, what she means to convey is that love means a totally new existence for them, which has, given them a new opportunity, okay, to remember, to reminisce their past. At the same time, it seems that, this love also, seems to combine, these two people into one, even after their death. So, love is seen to overcome any barrier that it faces, be it death or be it the ravages of time. Love is beyond all this. So through the depiction of this ghostly couple in the story, Woolf simply tries to convey, this message that love has not only failed to, death has not only failed to separate them, death has also failed to affect their love. So throughout the story, we find that love pervades, and it is their love, that it is the love of this ghostly couple, that has enabled them to supersede death in a new way. And since they do not intend to cause any harm to the couple, which implies that, they have also allowed them to inherit their love in their house. And the treasure that we find, that is referred to by the narrator, and we are informed that they are looking for a treasure. So what that treasure is? The treasure is actually their love for each other. So herein lies the significance of the theme love in this short story. The next theme I'll discuss is death. So as I said, Woolf has it's very interesting rather to note that Woolf has presented death, the theme of death, in the short story in a different light. What she means to say that these ghostly lovers, this ghostly couple, what they do, they simply roam about the house. Through the house's hall, they move into the garden. Okay, and what they do, they continue to remember their past life. And Woolf suggests that death for them is not a tragic end. Why? Because for them, it is the beginning of a new kind of existence for them. And the way they interact, the ghostly couple, the way they interact with each other, communicate, okay, through in the story we find they appear to be, quite human. And though for centuries they remain dead, and now they no longer have their earthly existence, but now they are ghosts, but still they have retained their respective genders, and there Woolf tries to show or depict the characters of this ghostly couple as very, very human. Besides this, we find that now after their death, now when they are ghosts, they are able to, reminisce their past life, the memories, the time that they spent with each other. It underlines their new kind of existence. It's not that after their death, okay, they have forgotten everything. They are no longer in a position to recollect those golden memories. They are not able to, cherish their past. Still, they have the ability now, to retain all their memories of their life that they had before their death. And they appear to be essentially the same people that they used to be before they died. So here, death, as I said, is portrayed. Is portrayed in a very different light by Virginia Woolf. In fact, we never come across such a picture of death. So this is very unconventional, and that makes this story, depart from the conventional or the traditional form of the ghost story as a genre. So although the couple is dead, but still we find they pine for their old life. They are nostalgic about their old life, which again, suggests that they have embraced a new kind of existence for themselves, and their memories at the same time, put emphasis on the fact that yes, they are. They are, they have, they are in they have rather. I won't say they are. They have, they begun to have or enjoy a new kind of existence. It is true that when they were alive, the richness or the joy that their life then they had when they were alive is not the same now. Now they are ghosts, they are dead, but still they are nostalgic about their past life. But if they were not dead, then there wouldn't be any question of their being nostalgic, about their past life. But what Woolf tries to specify or point out that even their death has not put an end to their past life, and it has not even made them incapable of reminiscing their past memories of their life. Instead, for them, death indicates a new kind of life, a new kind of existence for them. And the way they are searching for the treasure, and we know that light in the heart, here light in the heart means the love that they have in their heart when they were alive. So when they died, their love remained, it got buried in their house. They died, but their love did not come to an end. And now when they have got united after their death, when they are looking for that treasure once again, they are looking for their love which was there. So for Woolf, death means a kind of continuation, or a kind of embracing a new kind of life, a new kind of existence, having an altogether new form. Although it is devoid of, as I said, it is devoid of that richness, it is devoid of that excitement and joy that was there when they were alive. So the way, although we find that the couple, they are in love with each other, they love each other so much, still for readers, it is a bit comforting that death did not end everything for them. Rather, it made them appreciate life in a new way. So for Woolf, we find that life in death is what we can say as far as Woolf's view on the theme of death is concerned in this short story. And with this, we come to the end of discussion of the first part of themes in Haunted House. So if you like my lecture, if you are able to, if you find my lecture helpful, then please do subscribe my channel, like, share, and also give your valuable opinion in the comment box below so that I can improve on my work more and more for your benefit. Until then, bye-bye.